Hey YouTube, I'm gonna show you a technique that I learned by myself. So when you go on YouTube and watch a video and the video finishes and you wanna rewatch it, so watch it again, you can do this. You can right click, press loop. When you press loop and say you watch the video and the video is gonna finish, the video plays again. If you don't want that to play it again, you right click on the video, you press loop, and when the video finishes, you go to the next one. Hope this is gonna help you. Bye now. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Peace. Karlhto with an 8.